They just raised $250 million at a little under $3 billion valuation, and they're coming to the United States. It would make sense for one of the big logistics companies like UPS or FedEx to put money in. Love this company. Zipline. Not a platform play yet. It could be. I would say just a really, really good vertically integrated logistics provider using what? Drones. And where do they start? In Africa. Delivering blood in 15 and 30-minute delivery times in Rwanda, right? Where, they've got centralized distribution centers. They've built their own drones from scratch because they can't rely on crap from China. Love that. Love that they built their own drones. They get a text, boom, 15, 30 minutes. They fly. I'm going to show you a little video. Company is so cool. What's really cool about it is they just raised $250 million at a little under $3 billion valuation, and they're coming to the United States. They've been in trials to test out the service for now at least a year or two in the US. It's just an awesome company. So let's watch this.
Meet the company that's beating Amazon to drone deliveries. Zipline has already logged over 186,000 miles and completed more than 4,000 deliveries since 2016. The company has focused on delivering blood and life-saving medical products to hard-to-reach areas in Rwanda, but will soon expand to other developing nations and even the US.
The service that Zipline provides allows any doctor or nurse anywhere in the country to basically send a text message and get the product that they need 15 to 30 minutes later.
Super cool company. It would make sense for one of the big logistics companies like UPS or FedEx to put money in. It looks like UPS might have given a few $1 million to them as a grant or something. Not sure if UPS actually invested, but if they did invest, smart by them. If they didn't invest, they should invest. Someone should invest. This company is doing phenomenal things. Hi, I'm Alex. Thanks for watching the show. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, but even better, make sure to follow us on Odyssey, follow us on Rumble, and text us 203-646-5159. Text the word Monopoly. You'll be subscribed. You'll get updates about when we're going live, our latest videos, and we'll send you even a little goodie bag. And in the event that we all get banned from big tech, we'll still be connected.